Look at all the airplanes flying around us. If you should look in the gray box, you will notice that there's a top number. That is how far the airplane is from me. And the bottom number tells you their altitude. Let's zoom on in and see if we can watch one of them approach Palm Beach International. Here we go. We have one approaching by Southern, and not quite sure what that road is. And now it's going to approach Florida Turnpike. And Southern is to the south of this airplane as it makes its final approach to PBI. You can see the turnpike, Florida Turnpike, as it approaches. It is 1325 feet away. High in altitude here. Approaching Palm Beach International. About ready to cross over the Florida Turnpike. Usually about 1,000 feet. Yes, 1,026 feet cross Palm Beach, cross Florida Turnpike, and we'll get cut off someplace around Jog Road. 900 feet, 852 feet high, and just about here it'll disappear and land at Palm Beach International Airport. Jog Road approach, 777 feet high. And the aircraft will land in a few moments, and we'll have no more data. It'll just disappear off my screen.